Welcome back to my channel Ansika's Talent Show, and today we are going to make Amritsari lassi. So let's start. For this lassi you will need pasteurized milk curd, and this is malai which I have took from top of this curd. Some ice cubes, sugar, some dry fruits for garnishing, and today I am using hand blender. You can also make it in a mixer grinder, but its consistency will be thin, and I like thick lassi, so I am making in a hand blender. So we will add this curd in a container, and remember your curd should be thick. Take like this container or else your lassi will spill out. Then take 2.5 spoons of sugar. Then add it to your curd. Then I will take my hand blender and blend it. We will blend it till the sugar melts. So now the sugar has melted. Now we will add ice cubes to it, and then again blend it. So friends, this lassi you can make it with just curd and the ingredients which you get at your home for your evening meals. Now we will do it in the top little bit. So now we will take it in a glass. Now we will pour it. Now we will add some malai. You can also add cardamom powder in this if you want. I don't like its taste, so I am not adding it. Now time to garnish it. I am adding some badam and some pistas. So see friends, it's so tasty, and you can even drink it with the help of a straw, and this you can use it for your evening meals. Thank you.